How to make bar soap. Bar soap. When I mean bar soap, I mean soap when it's strong. Strong when they use to wash soap, not be detergent not be liquid soap I mean strong soap, bar soap. How to make it from the beginning, from the scratch to the end, using just 3 ingredients. I think I deserve a clap. Yeah. Yes, 3 ingredients. My dear brothers and sisters, shall I know say with just 3 ingredients, una fit make una own bar soap. And you can even use that same bar soap. You fit turn out to business, carry and go market, dey sell am. Yeah, if you want come make am go, get more money, package am, put nylon, and you're good to go. So how to make your bar soap with 3 ingredients? It's very simple. All you need to do, my darlings, brothers and sisters, is just to make sure say you watch this video till the very, very end. And before I continue, please do well to follow me in all my social media platforms. The same name, Efexalways. Drop comments. Make una know the studio with comments. Share. So many people need this video. Something like this. Yes, share. You understand? Share. You are helping the ministry. Share. Go to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. The same name. So how to make this bar soap is very easy. You need water. There's nothing that is happening for this world when you go fit use water. Everything needs water. The food when they chop needs water. Everything needs water. So you need water, you need palm oil, and you need caustic soda. I repeat the chemicals. I repeat the ingredient. You need water, you need palm oil, you need caustic soda. Okay, so these 3 things now you go mix together. As science go say one chemical more. You go mix everything together. At least the video there, so it's well explained. You go understand, and as they watch this video, mix everything together. And the thing what you go still need to get, you need a molder. Yes, but for those of you be saying I no get molder, or you cannot afford that molder, not be saying the molder cost, so cost, so it's very cheap. Maybe you want to use it for your house, you just want to do it for your house. You can get a little container, you understand, depending on the shape you want to do. Get your container, use that container to do your molder, and it is very simple, and you're good to go. So making your own bar soap at home is so good. And you need that caustic soda, make too much, because say caustic soda, they're very dangerous. You see some soaps when you go use, at the end of the day, go see say the soap your hand they peel. So you need to know how you're gonna minimize that score, make too much. You get it? So just do them the way they see for this video, and you are good to go. You feel use and wash anything washable, they wash. Your bra, you go wash am clean. Your undies, you go wash am. You see those corner, those lines, wash am with the soap. You go wash am. Wash bedsheet wash curtain wash rug anything as far as you need soap to wash, you go wash. You go wash clothes, even a colored clothes, you go wash colored clothes. Some clothes when you're not supposed to use some soap for, but this one you go wash am. Share your next store now. We don't reach out, they go. Please make a nice one now. Please. Make you now. I beg you. Follow me for my social media platforms. Okay, I don't dance for now. So please share. So many people are looking for this kind of thing. They won't start business, but opportunity never did. They are looking for who to teach them. If you make I can't teach you, I'm ready. Yes, I will teach you. If you want me to come and teach you, as in teach you the basics, just let me know. DM me, I will come and teach you. Yes, I will teach you the proper thing to do, how to do the soap, to gain money, to get customers, how to do it in a way that you go get gain. You understand? And meanwhile, it is not only 3 ingredients using the making soaps. The other ingredient they use, but just to economize money, there are other things you add to it. So if you want, let me know. I'm always here. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, the same name, Efexalways. I love you girls. Make money Japan.